welcome to KPB Coding Hub. Sir, in our last videos, as a part of these Python interview questions videos, we covered up to 15 questions. In today's session, we are going to talk about the next question, which is nothing but 16th question. This 16th question is why increment and decrement operators are not existed in Python. Why increment and decrement operators are not existed in Python. Generally these increment and decrement operators we will apply for integer type of data or floating point type of data. So because int and float objects in Python are immutable. That is nothing but what? Modifications. Modifications are not allowed. That is the reason why increment and decrement operators are not available. Best example, see, consider I have a Python program is there like x is equal to 10. Whenever you are doing x plus 1, don't feel that its value is going to be incremented by 1 unit. Sir, first an object will be created with the content x is equal to 10. This is the object with the content x is equal to 10. Since you are doing some modification, a new object will be created with the content 11 without any name. That's why, so even after that, if you are trying to print x, what output we are going to get? You can see the output is nothing but what? 10 only. Sir, where is this modification? A new object got created, right? Can you please capture its value? Yes. Now you have given manually the name for this object, which is nothing but y. Now, if you are trying to print y, what output you will get? 11. Sir, is the IDs are same or different? There you will get clarity. So already we have is operator is there in Python, which will return true if both objects are having the same ID. Now see what will happen? False. That means first object ID is different from second object ID. This is the conclusion why increment and decrement operators are not existed in Python. The simple reason is because immutable object, if you are doing modifications, it won't accept that. Beyond that, nothing, sir. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.